Welcome to the best pick. The best welding hat is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked pieces of safety equipment for any welder, providing crucial protection for your head and face from sparks, heat, and UV radiation, ensuring a safer and more comfortable welding experience, especially during long hours on the job, and this review will guide you through selecting the ideal one to keep you protected and focused on your craft. Number 5. Welder Nation 8-Panel Welding Beanie Cap. Introducing the Welder Nation 8-Panel Welding Beanie Cap. It's designed for maximum comfort and protection during your welding tasks. Crafted from 100% cotton duck canvas, this beanie offers a breathable and soft feel against your skin. Built to last, its heavy-duty construction ensures it can withstand the rigors of any welding job. This cap provides essential protection for your head, keeping you safe while you work. Experience superior comfort, even during extended periods of use. It's the perfect blend of durability and wearability. What we like. This beanie offers robust protection with its heavy-duty cotton canvas construction. It's designed for comfort during long welding sessions. If you prioritize a simple, durable, and comfortable option for everyday welding tasks, this is a great choice. What people say. The hat is made of 100% cotton, which is breathable and comfortable to wear. It has a wide brim that provides excellent sun protection. The adjustable strap ensures a secure and snug fit. Number 4. NoCry 6-in-1 Industrial Chainsaw Helmet. Introducing the NoCry 6-in-1 Industrial Chainsaw Helmet, your complete solution for safety and comfort. This all-in-one gear includes a hard hat, adjustable mesh visor, polycarbonate face shield, and ear muffs. Experience unparalleled protection for your head, eyes, and ears. It's designed for comfort, even fitting over your glasses or mask, making it ideal for various tasks. Adapted to any job with its versatile 6-in-1 configuration. You can easily switch visors, adjust angles, fine-tune the headband, and position the ear muffs as needed. Rest assured with top-tier safety. This equipment is rigorously tested and meets ANSI Z89.1, S3.19, and Z87.1 standards for your protection. Whether you're a professional forester or a DIY enthusiast, this helmet is perfect for a wide range of tasks, from logging to landscaping and construction. Enjoy a secure and comfortable fit with its adjustable headgear, accommodating head sizes from 21.2 to 24.4 inches. What we like. This offers comprehensive head, face, and ear protection with its modular design. It's ideal for demanding jobs like forestry and arboriculture. If you need a highly adaptable safety solution for professional outdoor work involving chainsaws or similar equipment, this is the one to get. What people say. The hat is made of 100% cotton, which is breathable and comfortable to wear. It has a wide brim that provides excellent sun protection. The adjustable strap ensures a secure and snug fit. Number 3. Tarpop Men's Cooling Skull Caps. Introducing our cooling skull caps, designed for ultimate comfort. Keep your head cool and dry, no matter the task. These skull caps are engineered to wick away sweat effectively. Enjoy a dry and comfortable experience throughout your day. Whether you're welding or cycling, these skull caps provide superior comfort. They are ideal for any activity requiring head protection and sweat management. Experience the breathable and lightweight design of our skull caps. They offer a comfortable fit without adding bulk. The snug fit ensures they stay in place, even during strenuous activities. Enjoy reliable protection and comfort all day long. These skull caps are incredibly versatile, serving as a liner for hard hats or as standalone headwear. They adapt to your needs. What we like. These skull caps are designed to keep you cool and dry under your helmet. They are perfect for hot working conditions or long shifts. If you often experience discomfort from sweat buildup while wearing a welding helmet or hard hat, these liners will significantly improve your comfort. What people say. The welding hat is made of 100% cotton material, which is breathable and comfortable to wear. It features a wide brim that provides excellent protection from sparks and spatter. The hat is designed with a reversible feature, offering two different looks in one. Number 2. ARCCAPTAIN Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. Introducing the ARCCAPTAIN Auto Darkening Welding Helmet, designed for ultimate protection and clarity. This helmet features a high-end auto-darkening lens with 4 premium arc sensors. It easily adapts to various welding environments, allowing you to adjust shade and sensitivity for arc, MIG, and TIG welding. Your eyes are fully protected with smart filters that guard against intense welding glare. It offers full automatic protection up to DN16 and continuous UV-IR protection, reducing risks and improving adaptability. Experience enhanced vision with a top 1111 optical clarity lens and TrueColor technology. The large viewing area significantly improves your visual experience for precise work. Weighing only 2 pounds, this helmet is significantly lighter than similar models, reducing neck strain. The adjustable headgear with breathable padding ensures a perfect, comfortable fit for extended use. Built to last from durable, shock and flame-resistant material, it meets rigorous safety standards. It's solar-powered with a replaceable battery for long-lasting, eco-friendly use. What we like. This helmet boasts a large, TrueColor viewing area for exceptional clarity and precision. Its advanced auto-darkening with 4 sensors ensures reliable protection. If you demand top-tier optical quality and a wide field of vision for detailed TIG, MIG, or arc welding, this helmet is an excellent investment. What people say. The hat is made of 100% cotton, which is breathable and comfortable to wear. It has a wide brim that provides good protection from sparks and heat. The adjustable strap ensures a snug and secure fit. Number 1. ARCCAPTAIN HSH S800 Skeleton Night Welding Helmet. Experience incredibly quick transitions from light to dark in just 1/25,000th of a second. You can easily adjust the shade and sensitivity to suit any welding task, making it ideal for TIG, MIG, and arc welding. Enjoy a larger and clearer viewing area with our advanced TrueColor technology. This provides a more realistic and precise view, enhancing your efficiency and accuracy on the job. It's also compatible with magnifying lenses for added convenience. This helmet is designed for longevity, powered by both solar cells and replaceable batteries for extended use. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials, it offers excellent resistance to shock, heat, and wear, meeting stringent safety standards. Crafted from a flexible yet strong PA material, this helmet offers superior comfort. It's lightweight and features an adjustable, padded headband for a perfect, comfortable fit during long working hours. Your eyes are fully protected with our smart filter, which automatically blocks harmful UV and IR light. This ensures your vision is safeguarded in all types of welding environments. What we like. Experience lightning-fast auto-darkening and a crystal-clear TrueColor view with this helmet. It's built for durability and comfort, weighing only 1 pound. If you're a professional welder who values speed, clarity, and a lightweight feel for all-day use, this model offers superior performance. What people say. The welding hat is made of 100% cotton material, which is breathable and comfortable to wear even for extended periods. It features a wide brim that offers excellent protection from sparks and spatter, keeping your face and neck safe. The hat is designed with a reversible feature, allowing you to wear it on either side for added versatility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.